Manifest money for real. Before we get started, if you'd like a free manifestation program that has helped over 10,000 people to help you manifest anything you desire, click the link in the description below. Manifest money for real. The words quick and easy don't seem believable when it comes to manifesting money. Most everyone has the mindset that if you want money it has to come with hard work. It may just be true that hard work is necessary, however it all depends on what sort of hard work you need to engage in to manifest money quickly and easily. The whole concept of manifesting requires a deep understanding of not only your relation to your physical reality but also to yourself and your alignment with what you want. You know when you are in alignment with something by the way you feel when you focus upon it. If you feel joyful, then you have opened yourself up to the flow of the creative force to pour great magnetism into you. Attracting money is the same. Everyone who has been successful in manifesting great wealth will repeat this one mantra: do what you love and money will come. This is the first way. There is a deeper scientific reason for this which goes just beyond the sheer joy of loving what you do. Although that's important, there is another reason. When you are enjoying what you do, you move into a divine flow that empowers your intention. The second way to attracting money quickly is to remove fear from the equation of your desire and move into boldness. Too often people are unsure of what they want. When you are certain of your desires, your mental image will also be clear and easier to manifest. The third step is the ability to increase magnetism of your desire so that what you want comes to you. This is the true essence of manifesting. The more magnetic you can be, the more charge there is between you and what you desire. The secret to manifesting are in the right techniques. Manifesting is all about technique. You may know the steps but not be aware of just how to apply the steps to increase your magnetism of money. Are you struggling to manifest the things you want in life? You know you want to live a positively abundant life, but there's one problem. It's hard. That is, until now. Today, I have a special free gift for you. It's a free manifestation program. Just click the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and get your free manifestation program by clicking the link in the description below.